Spacious Junior 4 in desirable Howard Beach Cooperative. Great opportunity to custom design your own space. The Cooperative is being sold as is. Oversized primary bedroom, 18x12, and the second bedroom is 15x11. Maintenance includes all utilities, heat, hot water, cooking gas, electric, cable and re-taxes. Base maint, $741.23, Spectrum, $52, Energy assessment, $64, Air conditioners, $14, Security service, $10.00 equals $881.23. Flip tax is $30 per share, 320 shares. Building features laundry and lobby level, storage room, small gym, recreational room, fee and by availability, video intercom and buzzer vestibule entrance, park benches throughout.